Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hello travelers, this is Travel Towner, and today we are in North Carolina. We'll be traveling along Providence Road West. We're going to start on the east side where the road starts at Community House Road, travel west, and end our trip at the North Carolina state line. Don't forget, please subscribe. It's a free way to help these videos keep coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.